endless roads and Chico roads and white lines, gay times, and a whole lot of speeding fines. Oh, don't worry, more I paid a long time. Heartland, homeland, wasteland, sugar pines. Roll on, yes, red dirt road, roll on. Red dirt road, you got my heart, you got my soul. So onwards we will roll.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me Zoya, and today I am doing my Instagram followers decide a day in my life. Well, I just hope that you guys make some really good decisions, because if you don't, well, I am gonna cheat. Yes, I am. So the first poll is what outfit should I wear, and I laid out a few outfits. Well, I'm gonna show you guys what outfits are those. First outfit says Moscow 1980 with some mom jeans. Both are from West Side, and the second one has this denim jacket with a spaghetti top inside with some plain white jeans. Although they are not jeans though, they are pants, but like still, I think both of the outfits look cute when I wear them. So I really want to wear this, but I'm also okay with wearing this, but I really want to wear this, so I don't know. Let's see how have you guys voted. So guys, the first poll is done, and now it's time for the second poll. The second poll is gonna be whether I should wear makeup or not. Well, I really want to wear makeup because I have a lot of pimples, so even if the poll votes no, I'm gonna put concealer. Poll time. Makeup or no makeup. Done. So the second poll is done. I guess I just have to wait for the results to come in, and in the meanwhile I can just put my hair in a bun and wear some white sneakers. Guys, so I'm so happy that makeup won by 60-40. I love you guys so much. I'm so glad you all chose makeup, because this skin is so, thank you guys. You guys truly get me. I was like thinking that no makeup is gonna win, but I love you guys so much. I just love you. Hey guys, so this is the final outfit. I'm wearing some white sneakers with some mom jeans, this shirt, and my hair in a bun, and I'm taking this little bag along. So yeah, let's go. So it's time for the next poll right now. I am going to L'Oreal / 929. It's all together, and over there, like right now, basically I'm going to put up a poll to decide whether I should cut my hair or grow it out. Now that's a really difficult decision for me, because I also want to grow out my hair, but I do want to cut it because I really miss it, like that time when my hair was short, because it was so easy to style. So yeah, I'm gonna put out a poll right now. So the poll for growing out my hair won, sadly, but as I said, I was gonna cheat. So well, here it is. I'm gonna cut my hair because I really miss it when it was short. So yeah, here we go. I'm sorry for cheating. guys, so this is the finished look. I cannot believe how short this is. Actually, I was expecting it to be this short, but now that it is, I feel really happy about it because like no braiding your hair for school. That's cool, right? So yeah, I cheated, but like I'm happy with it.
What do you have to buy?
I have to take a shopping cart first of all.
What are the things you have to buy?
I'm not really sure. Let's start with this candy aisle. Totally not in the video. I'm just doing it because I want to do this. I'm in the supermarket, and supermarket's my favorite place. Say hi. That's my mom. You might have seen her starring in my Meet My Mom video. She's super shy. Now, guys, let me know in the comment section which is your favorite candy. Mine has to be. I'm not really into candies, but okay. Do you know what's my favorite candy? I like Oreos, but that's a biscuit, so let's eliminate that. Yeah, I do love her Dairy Milk bubbly. I never eat that. I don't like these candies at all. I'm just not used to my new hair. Hey guys, so I put out a poll like 15 minutes ago if I should eat at home or I should eat out. So 67% or some percent of you guys voted that I should eat out, and I was like actually so happy because Yo China was right next to 99 and eating dim sums is one of my favorite things ever. So I'm like super happy. I've just ordered dim sums because we have to get home fast because my sir who teaches the home tuition is about to come at 3:30 and it's already 2:30 right now. Super excited. Not for my teacher, for food, obviously. Hey everyone, so right now I'm about to do another poll on Instagram if I should study or I should go do some Netflix and chill time. I really need some Netflix and chill time because I cannot study right now. I just don't want to study right now. I think you guys feel me. If you guys love me, you will select Netflix and chill. Please do Netflix and chill, guys. Now this is like a real test if you guys truly love me. Netflix and chill because that's the only thing I want right now. So add to story and here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna vote for Netflix and chill because you can vote for your story and now it's Netflix and chill 100%. So so it's official. I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. You selected Netflix and chill. I love you guys so much. I'm so glad that it's Netflix and chill because now I have to Netflix and chill. Like that side's Netflix because that side's the TV and then chill over there. And then I just posted another poll which is popcorn or Maggie. Sad part is that Maggie is winning and I'm so sad because I want popcorn to win so bad because I love popcorn, but this thing is winning right here. So let's see. I'm gonna let it be there for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna see how that goes and what wins. So let's go. Well, technically I'm not watching Netflix, I'm watching Amazon Prime, but I think that's okay because it all comes together. So I hope you guys don't mind. And I also wear my specs when I have to watch TV because I have myopia, which means everything's kind of a little blurry if I watch TV without my specs. So it's all good. Hey guys, so I just watched a load of Netflix and right now I just have to study kind of. I know you all are deciding for me today, but I have to do a little bit share of homework. So right now I'm gonna just do a bit of biology homework and possibly math. I think I might do math after dinner. But yeah, I think I'm gonna record myself studying for you guys because that's the least I can do after I've broken so many rules for today. This challenge, so I'm sorry, and also I'm kind of regretting getting this haircut. So let me know in the comment section your thoughts and views about this because I am not a fan of this haircut right now. Hey guys, so fun fact, whenever I do my homework I turn on the TV and I just copy stuff like because all of my homework is basically copying a ton of stuff that is written in the textbook to notebooks. Okay guys, I'm about to upload another poll. I want you guys to choose between this or this. This is the mask that I've used a couple times. I can say it hurts pretty much, so much. And this one is something that the Beauty Co sent me. This is the one that I haven't used. They sent me 3 scrubs, so I've only used the mango one yet. But I really want to try the coffee sugar scrub. I'm not really sure. So let's decide between these two. I really hope you guys choose this one because I really want to try this one, but it's not my day to decide. This mask or scrub. No. This is happening to me for the second time this day. I guess the third time. Anything that I don't want, you guys are selecting it. I'm so angry. Okay, that's a lie. You guys really did select it good. A few amount of good things. Oh god, please. While the votes are being recorded, we can just go in my bathroom and continue and complete my skincare routine because it takes time, you guys. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate comments for my skincare, but my skin is breaking out like crazy, so I have to protect this. Shout out to Simran. Simran is so sweet. She gave this to me for 10,000 subscribers. Simran has been so supportive ever since I started my channel. Simran is basically my best friend from school. She is so amazing and I'm so lucky to have her in my life, and she gave this to me for 10,000 subscribers. So I love you, Simran. Love you so much. Guys, I am hoping so bad that this is one right now. It's time to check the results. Oh god, please, god. Dear god. No! Peel off mask. 1. Guys, so this is gonna be my second last poll. The poll is, what should I do while the mask dries up? Should I edit or should I watch YouTube videos? Okay. Should I edit or should I watch YouTube videos? Let's wait for the results to come in. Honestly, I'll be happy in both. So guys, as expected, watching YouTube videos won. I cannot move my mouth much because of the mask. I don't want to move it. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos right now while this mask dries up. the face mask is done, and now the last thing ever is left. I have two options. Either I can go and watch FIFA World Cup finale, which is going on, but honestly, since Argentina is not there this year, I have no interest to watch the FIFA World Cup. I didn't watch ever since Argentina got out. I really don't want to watch the finale today, but that's an option. Or the second option that I have is I can read My Life is Ava's book. I'm gonna put up a poll right now. So this is the poll, you guys. This is how it looks. This is done. I hope you guys make the right decision. Trust your instincts and think what your girl likes. Okay. Posted. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared for this one. Okay, I'm gonna select read this book. And let's just wait for the results to come in. Oh no, FIFA's winning so bad. Oh, you guys are selecting everything wrong. I need to have a serious talk with you guys because you guys don't know me. Oh god, right now I'm looking at my long hair, you guys, and I miss it. I actually miss my long hair. We can do this. The book can win. Oh my god, yes! It's 50-50. It's 50-50. That means I get to decide. I choose the book and I choose sleeping. Oh, I really didn't want to watch FIFA. So finally, this video is over. I guess that's it for this video. I love you guys so much. You guys chose to read the book. I mean, like, you guys chose 50-50, but still. I don't want to watch FIFA. I'm not a big sporty fan. So I am going to read this book. This book is My Life is Ava's. And I'm going to read this and then I'm going to sleep. I'm probably going to turn, light up a scented candle. But I don't have matchsticks. So I guess I can just open a scented candle, scan and sit. So yeah, I guess that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to comment down below your favorite candy. And yeah, remember to comment down below some new video ideas as well, what you'd like to see me do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.